think it's Thursday. Is it Thursday? Thursday today? I say I think it's Thursday. I'm getting a touch of man flu, so you know, this is like full flu for other people, obviously. But for a man, you just feel the insect coming. You just woo. So a bit of a sore throat, blocked nose, and all that rubbish. So hopefully I'll survive the weekend. So wish me luck. Otherwise, yeah, the wife will just sell the car as is. But anyway, we finished painting some bits yesterday, so have a look at those. Some subframe, rear subframe rubbers and mounts turned up for the pickup, which is a slightly later subframe that I'm using on that, or the mounts are. So I'll just maybe show you the difference. And we'll try and do a bit of welding as well. So yeah, thanks for all the feedback about those little metal plates on the back there. It's always good to see other people's opinions, you know, right or wrong, who knows, you know. Things a lot have changed over the times at Rover and Austin, why they put things somewhere and why they didn't. So it's always nice to see different people's views. I'm not going to get into any arguments about it. So that's all good. So yeah, let's see if we can find the subframe mounts, see if they look any different and show you why. Okay, as I said, these are Mk1 mounts. As I said before, all of them are the same. Front and back, they use the same type of mount that bolts to the body, which way ever it is, two of them are the same on the later minis. So basically, these rubbers that come with the kit, the new kit for the later ones, fits on, bang, 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 squashes up, does its job. The later ones have one big bush in them. So where the older subframe would have had two bushes again, like this, they get replaced by one big bush. Obviously, this bush won't fit in that hole. It's interesting though, so I can at least just pick up two of those. I don't know if I've got an old rubber somewhere, pardon the expression. Yeah, you can see the old rubber there, all a bit squashed. But gets the point done. So yeah, as I said, these on the later subframes are bigger. This comes out, this is like a double one there, you know, it's like double-sided. Must be just bigger as well. But yeah, so just be careful ordering that. These aren't right, these are for the pickup subframe, which is, well, I'm fitting a later one anyway, so I'm pretty sure, I've got good confidence they're interchangeable. So we just need to order up some smaller rear mounts for all of these fittings. There you go, don't know if you learned anything. Hey, not feeling my best, but I'm going to try and attempt to start filling this hole in, even if we get it, even get a plate created or tacked, it'll be a start. As I said, not feeling brilliant, but I soldier on. Wife wouldn't think anything less of me. But yeah, let's just clean up the last few bits if we can. That's not going to get in there, I don't think. So yeah, clean up what we can. Sorry about the sunlight, the flashlight. Let me change that down a bit. Alright, I cut myself two pieces that look like they're not going to be far off. We'll trim this one down once it's on. We can then trim it from the outside because it's still got the outer section here that normally it's like a little panel that curves around onto the lip. So I think we can get away with that. And yeah, that'll do. Let's just see how nicely I can weld it now without it looking like shite. That'll do for the moment. I need to sweating, okay. And yeah, so I just need to get inside and just tap it down a little bit. Really, I could have done that as one piece, you know, folded it, and or at least done it as two, and then welded it and then put it in as one, which I should have done really. But so I just need to get inside the car, tap that little bit down a bit, and then it saves me bridging a massive weld hole. A few little pinholes still to do that I'll pick up on, so we're just going to have to see how good they go. In the end, we're just going to have to sort of do our best on the pinholes and just see how it goes. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit cack. Yeah, getting there. Might be easier to turn my head upside down or something to do this. Or, yeah, no, I might just try and chase that little old pinhole while I'm here. Alrighty, all the holes filled. As I said, I want to do that hole from inside. Oh really, let's come on. Keep going, Matthew. Let's see if we can fill another hole in. Alright, I'm fed up filling holes at the moment with a man flu coming on. I might go over a bit more with the epoxy primer later, but to be honest, with the stone chip that we got, stuff that we got going to go on, I think we're going to be pretty safe. Hopefully, anyway. So anyway, that's that. Hopefully someone's maybe linked me some pictures. I need to double check if there's 3 along there or 4 along there. We'll find out a bit later about these fuel pipe tabs, the bits I was talking about. Those. Yeah. Give them a go, get them on. So yeah, let's try and set ourselves a target of next week. Let's turn the welder off. Next week we'll have all the welding done. Let's attempt to. Oh yeah, let's say next week we're gonna prep the underside of the car. How's that? Do you think that's possible? We need a couple more, still some more bits of welding to be done. Don't know whether to leave. There's some seatbelt holes. I might just leave them because we can always grommet them up. Put the tabs on. I've got to sort out that rear quarter because I need to drill out some of the spot welds because I'm not quite happy with it. Start filling in a few more holes. We're nearly there. A little bit of welding that we just got to do on the seat, the front seat cross member, because again it's going to burn the paint a little bit, so we don't want to do that. Because that's the idea. We want to try and get all the welding done before we either, you know, stone chip the bottom. Otherwise, we're just going to ruin it. And yeah, go from there. I've got a slight bow in the floor, which is a bit annoying. I think it might be where it was on the pallet and resting on it when I was moving it around. So be careful when you do that. Otherwise, it's maybe just gone a little bit, just as because it's slightly thin, as I said, compared to some of the other panels. And yeah, we've got one more hole down there. Oh, let's do the hole, Matthew, do the hole, and then we're going to go. Okay, that's seriously it for the holes moment on board. Gas levels for your mark, just for your check-in. Make sure you're keeping your notes. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to go inside, have a Stella, try and collapse. Ready for work. So yeah. We're getting there slowly, as I said. Let's set our target for next week to try and see if we can get this. Not that we're very good with targets recently. But yeah. Really nice to see a bit of colour on it, wouldn't it? A bit of almond green. Amazing that would be. Alright guys, have a good evening everyone. Enchiladas or something I bought for Tesco's reduced. Wraps with mince in them and rice. I can't remember what they're called now. Bye.